I'm in the car and I'm like pissed off.
What's up? What's good? What's good?
That's what's up. This is what's up.
We're just sitting there, you know,
yeah, y'all. He got it in.
I don't want it. I don't think it's a good
It's ready.
Why did you say that?
A few more things you gotta do, but
Why did you say that?
It's getting there.
I'm about to be cooking on all levels.
The guy even told us straight. He was like,
"What's up, custers?" Go ahead. Yep. My girl got them. Yep. I'm gonna check the other shoe.
Oh, check the other one.
The other one. Yes,
What are them?
Yep. Shout out my girl. That's
What kind of shoes are they?
New Balance.
New Balance.
New Balance.
Not New Balance. It's New Balance.
New Balance.
look at me walking.
No cap. Yeah, bro. This your bike right here, yes, Thomas? They don't look too bigger than Andrews, no?
Yeah, it's a little bit, like tiny bit small.
Oh yeah, this is a finished look on the helmets. Can't tell me that shit don't look like glass, bro. Something nifty.
I got you. Yeah, I got you. Come on, please, let me look. Hold on, let me make sure.
I got fuel injectors undone. And
Yeah, injectors undone. Okay. Hold on, turn the fuel on.
That's just the lines priming up.
Yeah, let's make sure not.
Oh, when it's spewing?
Yeah.
Here you go. I'll let you know when you got pressure on the oil. Nothing on the oil line. Nope.
Fuel pressure. You ready?
Ready. That bitch sound like a fucking jet, nigga.
I might have to change my distributor.
Clock it.
Like adjusted?
You giving it gas?
Huh?
You giving it gas?
Yeah, I think it adjusted.
Yeah. That motherfucker's like.
She wants to start, man.
I'm gonna see if I can just clock it for now, just to get it to start.
Yeah. You ain't got. Oh yeah, you got the timing gun too, huh?
Yeah.
What are you doing, bro?
I need a. Derek, can you give me a 10 mil wrench on the foot?
Oh, man.
Is that juice good?
Yeah.
It's a good juice, huh?
She sound like a fucking fire jet,
I'm gonna
man.
guess it's gotta go that way.
Is that retard or
That's advanced.
advance?
One more time. This
One more time. This is it. Hey. So, should we clock it?
It's on the 4. Can't see from upside down. Yes, yeah. 60 and correct.
That bitch sound quiet in the hole. Bro, it's smoking.
Shit.
What's smoking? The heat
My
wrap.
bars.
You said my bar smoke. Called heat wrap.
I need the wrench for that. I forget what size it is. I think
Get
it's
a
like a
fucking
6.
Phillips, bro.
No, there's.
running good though. God damn.
It's a rain.
For real, what is that?
No, don't do that. You're gonna fight somebody.
I tried to do this like.
I
know. That's. I thought you heard it, bro, because he had a straight face. He was like, I was like, oh shit, he heard it.
I look over and he's just like,
oh shit. Yeah, like. Hold on. I couldn't keep a straight face if I did that shit. Oh man. Oh, that fan's kicking in? I'm about to say, you ain't got the funnel to bleed it?
yeah, those are getting warm already, so.
We're at the bottom. Oh shit.
Are you running a thermostat?
Here, can you give me the hood? No, I don't have a thermostat.
Oh, that bitch gonna take forever to get warm.
Wrong way.
Yeah, I need to get that upgraded that fan, man.
I'm gonna shoot all that water out.
You don't got that funnel, huh?
Huh?
Oh, Joey's funnel?
I got 2 of them, bro. I would've brought one if you told me. Huh?
They're nice.
Yeah, they're good to have.
Oh, alright. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Hey, it ran better than the last setup, remember?
It's because I made the base map. You know what I'm talking about?
So you made the base map before you pulled it? Because remember, you couldn't get it to run right.
I made the base map the day before I pulled it.
Oh, so this is...
So, I mean, it's really, it's close. I mean, it's enough to run.
Yeah, it's running good.
It's not dialed in. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's enough to run.
Well, all that fiberglass is flying.
It's the world's quietest cave.
That's really quiet. That's really quiet. It's not doing anything last time where you flip the throttle and die.
They need the valve cover on.
Yeah, oh, it will.
It'll die?
Yeah, I didn't do the base map before. It's like I only did like 1300 and under.
Just like for idling.
Yeah, just to start it. That's some stuff. I wasn't trying to like diagnose and you can't start it either.
Hell yeah.
Smooth.
Yeah.
Oh, but the turbo spinning in that bitch.
Wow.
Steaming hot.
Yes, sir, Ski.
If you ain't got a purple hookah smoking thuka, the fuck you doing?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
It says Zaza Baba Bumper Clap.
Facts. That nigga said Zaza Bamba Bumbleclaw. What flavor is that though?
I think it's like blueberry mint or something. I think it's in the kitchen. I suck at starting it though.
Yeah.
It
take a long to burn.
Yeah.
This shit is getting hot though. Bite it.